Tunzo, are you Miss or Mrs.? Miss, okay. Yes?
No, the other we have second class. So he thought I would like to start
Yes. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Mayor, my lord.
Where is he?
I'm here, my lord.
All right. Where are you joining us from?
From Ilorin, Kwara State, my lord.
Okay. All right. You are ready for continuation? Mr. Nwosu.
Yes, my lord, while we are going to proceed with today's hearing, I intend to remind my lord that the last day, my lord granted his leave to recall CW1, and subject to my lord directing as to that proper time to CW1 to take that one document which we wanted to.
Your CW1 here now. This CW1 is the claimant. Mr. Ekem. What?
We are going to be ready ahead of the same command.
We have comments. How many witnesses have you called? Okay. Yes, you take it. We'll take it after. Just remind me, please. So, this will be DW2. Yes.
Witness,
Oh, sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Are you a Christian or a Muslim?
I'm a Christian.
Speak up, I can't hear you.
I'm a Christian. I'm a Christian.
All right. Please raise up your hand. Your right hand. All right. You say after me. I.
I,
Your name.
Babatunde Olaoye,
Affirm
I affirm
that all the
sorry. I didn't hear that.
Slowly.
I put your name.
Hi, Babatunde Olaoye.
Swear in the name of the Almighty God.
Swear in the name of the Almighty God.
Sorry.
Aff-
Affirm in the name of the Almighty
in the name of the
God.
Almighty God
Is
that the evidence, I didn't hear that, please.
that the evidence I give in this case
That the evidence I will give in this case
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
My Lord, the witness of that prayer, and it speaks English.
Second. Was 5 when?
June 2025. It's attached to the document. First week of it is the meeting of
11th day, 5 and 11th day of June. 13th. This of additional witness, yes, Babatunde Olaoye. Okay. This one was filed on June 5.
What we have here is a thing of June. Some of the course that is on first page of this. The second part is okay, the one happened. What is correct?
List of witnesses is now was filed on 13th June. List of June.
Yes.
Yes, go on, please.
Mr. Kola-Olalere, can you hear me? Hello, can I go on?
Yes, you can go on. I can hear you, though it's a bit
Mr.
faint.
Kola-Olalere, now please tell this honorable court your name.
My name is Babat. My name is
Now,
Babat.
please tell this honorable court your name.
My name is Babatunde. My name is Babatunde Olaoye.
Yes.
What is your address?
My address is plot 240 Ibrahim Taiwo Road, Ilorin.
That's where you live.
That's my office address.
What?
Address is what?
Please continue.
What? Is it with this dependent?
Yes, my lord. It was
Yes,
at plus 240
Ibrahim Taiwo Road.
Ibrahim Taiwo Road.
Dependent.
At plus 240 Ibrahim Taiwo Road, Ilorin, Kwara State.
Okay. Yes.
What is your designation with the defendant?
I'm the team lead of compliance transaction monitoring, regulatory
I
and
didn't hear that.
financial.
You are what?
I'm the team lead of compliance transaction monitoring.
Team lead.
Yes,
Team
ma.
lead.
Yes, my lord.
Team lead.
Like team.
Team lead.
lead.
Team. The leader of the team. Team
Oh,
lead.
okay.
That's what they call it, madam. Team lead. Team lead compliance transaction monitoring regulation. That is in paragraph 1 of the witness statement.
Compliance what again?
Transaction monitoring.
Transaction monitoring.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, madam.
Of the defendant.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Yes.
Now, do you recall that on the
Actually, I noticed that counsel on this side, when they are talking on the mic, it makes that noise. Why? Please go.
now, do you recall that on the 5th day of June 2025, you deposed to a witness statement on oath in this matter?
Yes, I do.
Do you wish to adopt that witness statement on oath as your evidence in chief before this honorable court?
Yes, I do.
Yes.
Now, in paragraph 3 of that witness statement on oath, you refer to an internal report which was forwarded to
How many documents did you mention in this evidence?
just two documents, and then we have a computer-generated certificate. So, we are delivering.
That's your evidence to refer to some document or two documents, right?
Yes, my lord.
Let them separate.
Yes.
Now, because these documents are listed in our list of additional documents. First is emails forwarding internal report.
It doesn't have the copy of the list of documents there.
Mr. Kola-Olalere, you have a copy of this document?
Copy of the list.
Of the list of documents, yes.
There's the emails
Right,
forwarding.
can you read them out to the hearing of the court? 3 documents there.
the internal reports. The emails forwarding the internal reports. Then the internal report titled Report on
Read it
Review
one
of...
after the other. Babatunde, read it one after the other. When I tell you, read the second one, then you can read it. Read the first one and pause. Let me look for it.
Okay, my lord. Emails forwarding the internal reports.
Well, the thing about that, those emails are not before. Extended document 10.
So what's the last page? So that email is marked. What's your last exhibit number? There's only one witness record, right?
So this is
Hmm?
E6.
Just let me look at my record. Okay. Yes, exhibit D1 to D6. Sorry, D61 at pages 600 to 757, and then 862 to 897 at pages 600 to 897, and 862 to 897. Okay. Let it be. So this one is exhibit D7 at pages 814 to this is number 4 to 817. 817. No, as called, please.
Okay, sir.
It's work I'm doing here. So it must be attended.
Okay, sir.
So that's those email messages are jointly marked as exhibit D7. Exhibit D7 in this case, and they are pages 814 to 817 of the court record. Yes?
Internal reports titled Reports on Review of Accounts with Same BVN on the Core Banking Application and One Bank.
Another internal report follows the email. It has
Report on review of accounts, right?
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
This one is how many pages?
Okay. 4 pages.
Exhibit, this one will be exhibit D8, right? Exhibit D8. D8. The last page is this one is from 818 to 821. So the second document here is marked as exhibit D8. D8 at pages 818 to 821 of the court record. Yes? Ah,
Babatunde, read the last document.
Okay, the
number 3.
certificate of computer generated evidence.
Yes, I've seen it. Exhibit D9. That number 3 is marked as exhibit D9. Yes? The page is just one page. And the follows is when there are more than one. I keep saying page this. That's all for this evening. Okay. Other documents relied on by the defendant by DW2. In this case, is marked as Exhibit D7 to D9, as listed and uploaded at pages 813 to 8 of the court record. All right. So that's your evidence in chief of this witness. Are you ready for cross-examination?
Yes, my lord, I am.
How long is it going to take you?
My lord, I would like to take all my time.
What?
Take the maximum time, please, so that I can.
Maximum. Then we have to take another. Can you see the time? This is past 3.
Lord, I don't know. Maybe I can try to see how I can compress them.
If you try, you must
Yes,
finish it today. But I'm not ready to stay here till 4. I mean, till 4 o'clock.
But it depends on the response of the. I will be able to ascertain how long it will take on. Yeah. But if he answers the questions,
That's what I'm telling you. I don't act on speculations. Are you ready to agree time or not? If you can do it within 20-30 minutes, maximum, I will oblige you today. Or else you take another day.
Well, no, let me take 30 minutes.
What? 30 minutes.
I'll pick 30 minutes.
Once we do 30 minutes, I'm not going to adjourn for further cross-examination. Deal? Is that a deal? I'll finish the cross-examination within 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'll stop you.
And I wouldn't know how cooperative.
That's what I'm telling you. If you can't do it within 30 minutes, you can take another date.
Let's just let me have 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
After you said receiving documentary.
Okay, cross-examination. Cross-examination. Mr. Wolf, I'm putting your record. Yes, go on. This is
Now,
11 past.
Mr. Babatunde, you are the supervisor of the implement when she was compliance and monitoring of the defendant.
In the Loring.
Hello.
Okay.
Please, I can't hear you well, please.
Are you coming now?
Yes, it's better.
Yes. You are the
Yes, I am.
Now, can I proceed?
I've not written that. I'm trying to fix my iPad.
No, my question was bias and monitoring defendants. Said yes.
At the compliance unit, you said?
Yes, my lord, okay, defendant. Said yes.
Yes.
Now, as the supervisor, you are in a position to know when a claimant has given to her or
What?
not. And as the supervisor, you are in a position to know when the claimant has.
Sorry, I
Position
didn't. I
to
can't.
know.
To know when the claimant has assigned to her or not.
Sorry, I didn't get that clearly.
So say it slowly.
Now, as the supervisor of the claimant, you are in a position to know the claimant assigned to her or not.
It's not.
Whether the
It's not.
claimant performed the task assigned to her or not when she was under you.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Let me finish the sentence I'm writing. Yes. I don't record questions.
My state of report is asked as a supervisor no.
My Lord, I object to this interference. Please, I
Let me finish.
taking my time.
Don't worry. I will move the time it takes.
Does his question supervisor you are able to know when the claimant performs the task assigned to her or not?
Whether.
Whether yes. Whether you confirm she when my Lord asked if I declare to him, my Lord said whether the claimant perform or not. Just said the question is as a supervisor.
I don't write, I've said this severally, I don't write the question that you people ask. I only write down the answer the witness gives me.
Thank you, my Lord.
He has said that he was the supervisor of the claimant. And so he was able to know whether he was in a position to know whether the claimant performs his tax or not. I mean, her tax. Don't ask me again, if not, I'll be angry. Yes?
Thank you. Mr. In the course of the did you ever write any to the management of the claimant to perform the task? Did you ever write?
Like report the claimant?
Yes,
Whether you reported the claimant
yes, my Lord.
for non-performance?
Yes.
Okay. Did you ever report the claimant for non-performance of assignment given to her?
Yes, I reported to my group head.
You had cause.
Yes, I've had cause to report to my group head.
When
Mr.
was
Olalere.
that?
That was in 2023, between the time she was deployed to the team. She was deployed to the team on the 14th of April, 2023. So
How many times?
Well, most of the reporting were done on Teams because we communicate on Teams. On Teams.
How many times did you write?
Can you hear me, my lord?
How many times did you write?
I can't hear you because we are talking slowly and you are telling us you don't hear us. We are shouting, yeah?
Can you hear me, my lord?
Yes.
Okay.
You had cause to report the claimant for not performance of due assignment given to her?
Yes, my lord, I do.
How many
And
times?
I want a minimum of maybe 3 to 4 times on Teams.
4 times.
A minimum.
Yes?
Now, since the claimant was working for the government, how do you communicate our assigned task with the claimant? Assigned task or communicate with the claimant.
So I can't hear you clearly, please. I can't hear you clearly.
Can you hear me now?
It's better, but when you are speaking,
Can you hear me now?
yes, it's better.
Yes.
Go on, go on.
My question to you. Now, what moves the claimant was working for the education facility? What moves communicate our assigned task to the claimant in that period?
Okay, so we communicate. Can you hear me, please?
Yes.
Like what? No, do you do what?
Used to communicate.
Give her assignment?
Yes, assigned task.
Okay, so how do you assign tasks to the claimant since she worked remotely?
Okay, so we usually communicate either by emails or through Teams. Email, we usually communicate either by email or through Teams, which is the alternative medium of communication in the bank.
Sorry, please repeat the second.
Teams, Microsoft Teams.
Said team is TEAM.
Yes, my lord. TEAMS, Microsoft Teams.
Teams. All right.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Now, can you remember any particular task with evidence you are assigned to the claimant in view of what you have said? Do you remember any particular task which you are assigned to the claimant through these channels, which the claimant failed to perform?
So the task that I assigned to her was on 17th of July, 2023.
Speak loud, start again, and speak loud.
My lord, can you hear me, man?
Yes.
I said the task that I assigned to her through email was on 17th of July, 2023.
Okay, just hold on. For instance, on what date?
17th of July, 2023.
Yes. Yes.
Now, where is
Wait now. On 17th of July
2023.
2023, you
Yes, my
you assigned what to her, and she did
I
not do.
assigned, yes, I assigned a task to her on alert scenarios.
Huh?
Can you hear me, my lord?
You
I
are not
assigned
loud
a
enough.
task to her.
So,
I assigned a task to her on alert scenarios.
alert.
Alert scenarios. SCEANARIOS.
Alert.
Alert scenarios.
You are spelling this scenario. You are spelling. Huh?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
That is ALERT. Scenario that like scenario. Okay. SCENARIO. Okay. Yes.
Now, is there any evidence of such assignment?
Yes.
Is
Yes,
there
there
any
is.
evidence before the court of such assignment, claimant? Since you communicate with the claimant through email and things.
Yes. Yes, I have evidence that the task was assigned to her through email.
Which evidence is that, please? Tell the court.
Don't
Sorry?
waste time now. The time is far gone.
It's an
Which
email.
assignment? Which example is that? Which one? Which email?
It's in my statement. The email of assignment of alert scenarios.
Part of those ones that we. Okay. Exhibit what? That's their own exhibit. Any other question? Answer. Don't waste time. It's almost 30 minutes.
Now, the claimant usually give requirements of a medical appointment for you normally go for assessment. Normally we give them.
Sorry, I didn't get you clearly, please. Can you hear me?
The claimant normally require information that she has a medical appointment.
Prior information for medical medical appointments.
Yes, she intimates me once in a while.
Yes?
Yes. Now, when she gives you that prior information, do you still go ahead and assign the task to the claimant?
So, as a supervisor, right, I follow up on my direct report. Can you hear me?
No, my question is, once she gives you prior information of a medical appointment, do you proceed to assign a task to her for that period? She said that she's not going to be around.
If she tells me that she's not going to be around, right, which was what she previously did, right, I don't have any reason to assign her any task at that particular moment.
You don't have what?
I don't have any reason to assign her task at that particular moment because
So when she gives you prior notice, notice of medical appointment, you don't assign tasks to her.
I won't assign tasks to her when she gives me prior notice.
Yes?
Now, what you're also saying, I put it to you that what you're also saying is that the claimant at one time abandoned her duty post without getting clearance from you.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
The claimant never abandoned her duty post without getting clearance from you.
So it is not my duty. It is the duty of the HR to determine that.
Now, as a supervisor, I'm asking that you work under supervisor. Is there any place where you was absent from without getting clearance?
Sorry, I didn't hear that clearly, please.
My question as a supervisor, is there any incident where the claimant is from her without reporting any time that she was absent from duty that you don't know about, that she didn't tell you about?
So please, I can't hear you. I think when my Lord speaks, I hear clearly.
Are you hearing me now?
You see, when you start to speak, I hear you clearly, but immediately you continue, it's fading. But when my Lord speaks, I hear my Lord clearly, very, very clearly.
Babatunde, just listen at the same time. What is asking you is there any time that the claimant was absent from duty without your knowledge, without notifying you before then? Has she ever left her duty post without prior clearance from you?
Okay, my Lord. So there is no way we have been able to determine that because we work remotely. So we don't sit in a physical office. So there is no way.
I can't hear you now.
I would have.
It's you that you cannot hear.
Can you hear me, my Lord?
Yes.
Okay, I said there is no way I would have been able to determine because we work remotely. So it is very, very possible for staff to pretend to be online while not
So
at their
it is
duty
difficult for
post.
you to determine when the claimant is not on her duty post because you work remotely.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes?
Yes, Mr. I put it to you, there's no record everywhere. There's no record where is that you are signing letters to the claimant. She told me there's no record, whether email or emails.
Another question, because that's a matter of address.
Now, the claimant submitted application for extension of medical leave, and the same was not validated by the defendant. Now, is there anything that is missing from that report she submitted?
Missing.
Is there anything that is supposed to do which she did not do that made the defendant not to validate her medical leave?
You're asking another question. No, it's okay, it's okay. Another question. How many? No, you can't answer that. You're asking her to justify why the defendant refused her permission.
No, I'm not disputing of that.
The reason why it was refused.
But
what was missing? Why that application was not granted? That's your question.
Yes,
and that's not easy.
Yes, they said the application, the medical report would not be validated. I want to know why it was not validated.
Is it the one that says it?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
So,
this is another question. Don't waste time.
No, my lord. This is before the court. They say they cannot validate it. That all the
cancel. Law of diminishing returns are centered. So you know the meaning of that. Ask cogent questions so that we leave all this one that are already before me.
Now, according to the report, they said that the CCTV, which the claimant submitted for this court, for June, July 2023, was a task performed by Bisola and Ms. Eugene, correct? Am I correct?
People may not understand that question.
Sorry, can you repeat that? Because I didn't get that clearly, please.
Now if we know this court that is between 17, which is a TM validated task, which the claimant presented to this court, was not task performed by the claimant. That task was performed by Bisola and Mrs. Eugene. That's what we told the court.
Yes, the task was performed by Kola-Olalere and Chijindu Nwosu.
Okay.
But that one is already in evidence.
I want to contradict him.
How?
He confirmed that I did his statement before the court. I want to now contradict him. I have a follow-up question.
Because if I have that one, I don't have to write it again.
Now, today, you submitted before this court exhibit D8, which is called the related report on TM validation task. Now, is there anything that shows does it have any common identity with what the claimant submitted as her own work?
The one is filed today. It was the two of you to address me on that, man. The documents are here. You address me on that. Then I will look at it and see whether whoever is telling me the truth. You can't be interpreting document for me now. His own is to give me the documents. Yes?
Now, I understand the claimant was taking the medical treatment abroad. When you advise her to take a leave of absence, and she said that what she wants is early retirement on the ground of ill health. So now, why do you insist on asking her to retire, to take a leave of absence?
I'm sorry. I really don't understand.
My question is very clear. Okay, let me rephrase the question. Okay, Mr. Babatunde, when the claimant applied for extension of medical leave, you advised her to take a leave of absence, right?
It is not true because It is not in my position to respond to that. The human capital management, the HR, is responsible for granting or acceding to that request.
Are you not the one? Did you not advise the claimant to take leave of absence? Is in there in your chat with the claimant? Is it there?
I did not advise her to take a leave of absence.
All right.
Yes?
Now, the defendant, first of all, there were some medical reports from the defendant's medical experts where they analyzed the report submitted by the claimant in support of application for leave extension. Are you aware of that? There was a report by a medical team of the defendant who analyzed the medical report submitted by the claimant. Are you aware of that?
So it is not in my purview to respond to that. It is in the purview of the HR to respond to that.
No, what I'm asking you, are you aware that there was such a report from the medical expert consulted by the defendant to analyze the claimant's medical report? Are you aware of that?
So I'm saying that it is not in my purview. So it's not something that I should meddle into. So because I'm not a health practitioner.
Yes, another question. How many more questions?
Just 4 or 5, my lord.
Condense to 3.
Sorry, my lord.
Condense them to 3.
That's not easy. Now, it was also your evidence before the court that the claimant have access to the platform for performing a TM validation task.
In the Babatunde's evidence.
Yes, my lord.
That who?
That the claimant was unable to have access to TM validation task.
Yes.
So what's the question on it?
Yes, he said that he is aware that the claimant, it's the evidence that the claimant could not access the platform for performing TM validated tasks. God is saying that is
asking you now, if they are bringing it out from there, I don't need to write it.
I'm not sure because he's the supervisor. I don't know whether it's part of what he's supposed to, but I believe that the information that the defendant relying on are based on the information available to him. And he has answered.
Let me understand.
My lord, my question to him is this: that is evidence that the claimant did not access the platform for performing TM validated tasks. He said yes.
What's your answer?
Yes, she does not have access to the core banking application.
Do not have access to what?
TM validated.
She does not have access to the core banking application to perform the task.
Yes, my lord. As in town management. TM.
Mini term management, right?
Yes, TM, the abbreviation. Validated task.
Yes.
And now, how many days did that problem persist?
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
Yes, you said that the claimant could not access platform for TM validated task. Now, I'm asking you, how many days that difficulty persist?
Like for how long was she unable to have access
Okay,
to
so
TM
as
validation?
at the 8th of July 2023, she did not provide response because she engaged the core banking application team on her access. However, she did not provide them with response.
For how long was she unable to have access? That's the question. This other story, I don't understand. For how long was she unable to have access
So
to
that should
TM
be like,
management validation?
no, the core banking application, my lord. The core banking application, my lord, because
Not
it is.
TM again.
So the TM validated task requires you to have access to the core banking application to validate, because based on the subject of the
For how
report,
long was
How
she
long?
unable to have access?
for almost 3 months, my lord.
For how long?
Almost 3 months, she did not have access to the core banking application.
3 months. Yes.
Now, for these 3 months,
Question.
now where is this stated? We are having communication with the claimant when she had a temporary difficulty in accessing the platform. Now all of a sudden, the communication ceased. Now, I think that period, during that period, communication ceased was that problem has been resolved.
What?
Yes, we are having communication. Mr.
Like when she couldn't have access
When the claimant couldn't have access, it was communicated
for 3 months.
No, my lord, not up to 3 months.
Are you giving evidence to the asking question?
No, I'm asking the question. You know what I'm asking. Now we were having communication with the claimant when she was having this difficulty. Now all of a sudden there was no communication again. Are you saying that you also forget about the responsibility of the claimant?
Responsibility.
To the defendant, the duties of the claimant to the defendant.
I really don't understand what
I don't understand the question, please.
Okay, my question to you is that you were having communication with the claimant when she was having difficulty, and all of a sudden there was no more, you are no longer giving her tips on how to have access. Are you saying that when that communication ceased, you didn't do anything to make the claimant to hook up the platform?
Sorry, I'm not clear with the question.
very clumsy and okay, what are you asking? Whether within the 3-month period that she didn't have access, she was not doing anything, he was not giving her assignment, and she was not doing it. Is that your question?
Yes, my lord, that's my question.
So within the 3 months that she couldn't have access, did you give her an assignment, and did she do any assignment as directed by you?
So, my lord, there is no way I would have assigned her any task, knowing fully well that she does not have the tools.
So I did not.
You not give any other task.
Tasks. within the 3 months. Yes? Last question.
I know that I have just two. So thank you, madam. Now, which dates was the claimant experiencing difficulty connecting to the platform? Which date?
Sorry, can you repeat the question? I can't hear the
These 3
question.
months, these 3 months are which month of the year and the year? The 3 months that she couldn't access it was from when to when?
Okay, so she joined the team on the 14th of July of April 2023. She joined the team on that date.
I'm not
and
asking you for long stories. You said for about 3 months,
yes, my lord,
she could not access the
the core
TM
banking application.
validated
She
or
could not.
something like that. So
She
this
could
3
not.
months from when to when?
Okay, it's from April 2023 to July 2023.
Come again.
April 2023 to July 2023.
April to July 2023. Yes, last one.
Now, there are other channels that which the claimant could have used to access TM validated task. Assuming she was having a prolonged difficulty connecting to the platform. There are other channels.
Sorry, can you please repeat that?
Yes, for the purpose of accessing TM validated tasks, there are more than one process through which you can access TM validated tasks.
So I did not assign TM validated task to her. The TM validated, that document.
No. I'm not talking about whether you assign it to her. Answer my question. There are other ways. There are other channels through which you can.
Are you telling me or you're asking questions? Putting it to him, is he an accused person? It's not an accused person.
You can say that it's correct. But you're supposed to say that it is correct.
Just ask your question. If you don't have any other question, then we'll run for the examination.
Babatunde, my question to you is this. There are other means that it's not the access to TM validated task. It's not only through one means or one channel.
So, like the subject of that report states, report on review of accounts with the same BVN on the core banking application.
Can I hear you?
Can you hear me now, my lord?
Yes.
So the task is expected to be performed using the core banking application. And that is where the subject of the report emanated from. The subject of the report is report on review of customers' accounts.
That's not the question he's asking you here. That the claimant could not access TM time management validated validation at a point. He's not asking, is there any other avenue where you could access the TM time management validation?
No, it is through the core banking application.
Which is Yes, okay. The examination.
Stop, please.
So they have the first one is we mentioned that as a task that my email and my Microsoft Teams. I just wanted to explain which one is Microsoft Teams.
Hello
But
there.
Microsoft says
You will explain to me your.
I know what it is, but it's not something that I know. And I see what Microsoft, what emails are. What is Microsoft Teams?
Hello there. I object to that.
Do you know the meaning?
My lord,
Microsoft Teams.
my lord, that is not in issue. It's not in issue.
Okay. Another question. If that is not English,
It's not the meaning. What to do with it?
all these ones, you people will tell me in your address. Any other examination? Me.
Hey, stop, please.
Thank you, Baba today.
Thank you, my Lord.
That is the case of the defendant.
Mr. Nwosu.
Yes. Lord, we have kept my lord back today. And my lord, what is left now at this point is to recall our witness, which my lord has granted us leave to do. Subject to my lord convenience, we'll be asking for directive.
Let's ask for another day for report.
That's not please. We'll apply for a short date, my lord. We'll be very grateful, my lord, if my lord right time to accommodate us before vacation so that we can use the vacation to write our addresses.
Sir?
We'll be very grateful if my lord will find time to accommodate us before vacation so that we can write address during the holiday.
It's only one witness you are recalling, right?
Yes, my lord, for the purpose of tendering 2 documents.
Yes, but you'll be cross-examined.
Stop this.
July 6th is a Monday.
Yes, it's coming up, my lord.
What?
Two.
Ah,
Two should be better. Two.
Mr. Ekpe, no objection to this application for a different. Which time do you prefer?
Will be great for my lord. If my lord, this is for 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
See, I have one that so I can round up.
What date is that? July what?
July, my lord. By 2 p.m.
This matter is adjourned to July 6, 2026 for a call of CW1 virtual by 2 p.m. I want to rise.
Thank you, my lord. Have a nice
You're welcome.
Thank you, my lord.